Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone who belongs to physics. Today we will discuss physics, that is in Urdu known as Tibbiyat. Laws of motion that are belonging to physics. Today Newton's third law of motion is explained with examples. Definition is here: every action has a reaction. Both action and reaction are equal but opposite in direction. Now in Urdu we define it as हर एक्शन का एक रिएक्शन होता है. ये एक्शन और रिएक्शन बराबर लेकिन सिमत में मुखालफ होते हैं. Now we explain this law with examples. Example 1, books on the table. In the diagram, books lying on the table, the weight of the books is vertically downward. It is called action of the books on the table. The table put reaction on these books vertically upward. It is called the reaction of the table. So we can say that both action and reaction are equal but opposite in direction. There is another example: the balloons flying in the air. The air inside the balloons is moving downward. It is the action of the air vertically downward. The balloons are flying upward. That is the reaction. So we can say that both action and reaction are equal here but opposite in direction in the examples of balloon. The third one example is of the motion of rocket. In this motion, gases move vertically downward. It is the action, and the rocket moves vertically upward. It is the reaction of the gases. So it is also the example of third law of motion. From these examples we can conclude that every action has a reaction. Both action and reaction are equal but opposite in direction. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.